Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very warm and respectful welcome to you all. My name is Uwais Ahmed and I have the honor of being your host today for this memorable evening. Today, we do not stand here for an common gathering. Instead, we stand for a platform that carries vision, purpose, and the power to shape the future of our youth. Yes, gentlemen, this is not merely an event. This is a mission that despite its young journey has already begun to leave its meaning impact across the Pakistan. Yes, dear audience, you heard it right. This is Hufaz education system where the light of Quran meets modern education, where faith builds character, and where future leaders are shaped with confidence, vision, and discipline. You may wonder, why do we conduct such a programs? What is the purpose behind this journey and what makes this system unique? To find the answer, we do not turn to the theories or slogans. Instead, we turn to the timeless guidance of Holy Quran, because today you will not only listen to the Quran, you will witness the Quran through action, education, discipline, and excellence. Now, to begin this blessed ceremony and to seek guidance for our purpose, I would like to call my brother to recite the select verses from Holy Quran that illuminate our purpose and direction. With great honor and respect, I call my dear brother Muhammad Huzaifa to come on the stage and enlighten our hearts through the sublime recitation of Holy Quran. Along with him, I also invite Mr. Daniel, Mr. Uwaimer Adil to come on the stage and explain the selected verses.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
This verse is from Surah Nahl and its mean, invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom. Dedicated audience, Islam teaches us wisdom, emotional intelligence, and effective communication, the core of modern soft skills. Distinguished audience, I want to share that our institute holds an annual declamation competition named Isme Muhammad, in which some students from our department have secured positions, and furthermore, some of our students have achieved positions in other speech competitions at divisional, provincial, and national levels. Gentlemen, at Hufaz education system, we learn communication skills, confidence building, teamwork, problem solving, and responsibility through presentations, debates, technology, and teamwork. We prepare students who can lead with integrity and serve society with excellence. Our mission is simple yet powerful: to produce graduates who are grounded in faith and prepared for the future.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون.
Honorable audience, this verse is from Surah Rum. This verse is from Surah Anfal, and its mean and prepare against them whatever strength you are able to. Dedicated guest, Islam does not promote weakness or passivity. This verse establishes physical strength, discipline, and preparedness as religious values. We prepare confident individuals who can face real world challenges with courage and resilience. A strong Muslim is active, disciplined, and well prepared. Dedicated audience, at Hufaz education system, physical skills are taught, and we also organize an annual sports day. As a result of these activities, our students remain active, disciplined, and physically strong. Many of them have achieved a remarkable success at divisional and provincial levels in various competitions, including arm wrestling, racing, and martial arts such as Taekwondo Karate. This demonstrates that the combination of academic learning and physical activities contribute to the overall development of our students and preparing them to face any challenge.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف ألسنتكم وألوانكم إن في ذلك لآيات للعالمين. صدق الله العظيم.
Honorable audience, this verse is from Surah Rum, and its mean, and among his sign is the diversity of your languages. In the beginning years of Hufaz education system, both of international languages, Arabic and English, are taught by natural approach method. Dedicated audience, the Quran was revealed in Arabic so that its message could be clearly understood. At the same time, Allah has created diversity and in languages as sign of His greatness. That's why we learn not only Arabic but also English as a global language. Our goal is to prepare students who can understand the Quran deeply and represent Islam confidently on international platforms. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Gentlemen, the Quran is not limited to a language, a nation, or an era, but it is a universal message guiding hearts, shaping minds, and building civilizations. And this is exactly what we strive to reflect through Hufaz education system.